So I have mark sheet of students in the first two column in which I have given them marks, and in the third I want to add percentage. I want to do it dynamically so I don't have to do it manually for every student. So how can we do it with the help of formula? Let's check it out. First we have to press is equal to, then select the first column of marks and then slash and then select the second column out of which we have given students the marks. Then press multiply by 100 and press enter. So once we press enter, percentage of the first student will dynamically come in the third column. Then we have to select this column and drag it to the end, and as you can see, percentage of all the students came out dynamically. So now if I have to add the marks of another student, the percentage of that student will dynamically come out in the third column. So it is very easy and simple. If you did learn something from this video, please give us a thumbs up. Have a good day.